Hello, my friends. As you've seen from the previous statement that this person believes that there's no such thing as Sunday blue laws. Well, I guess the government's lying about that as well. You know, they're just a pack full of lies. They never had a Sunday blue law. This here is a law dictionary by Stephen H. Gippies. You know, hopefully I said that name right. If not, forgive me. But anyway, I'm going to read to you where it says. It should be under Sunday closing laws. I'm going to read to you what it says. Any state or local laws that restrict activities such as the sale of goods on Sunday, these laws are rooted in the Christian religious tradition and date back to the Middle Ages. Interesting. Because of their religious basis, Sunday closing laws have been attacked as violative of the Establishment Clause of the U.S. Constitution, but have been upheld as a valid exercise of the police power, mandating the day of rest for workers. However, Sunday laws have been successfully attacked for discriminatory effect, for vagueness, and because they may contain numerous and irrational exceptions. I wonder who did that. Anyway, blue laws, any state or local laws that for moral or religious purposes restrict activities on Sunday, or that restrict certain activities all the time, such as an ordinance prohibiting the operation of a movie theater and a municipality. I guess I pronounced that right. The name Blue Laws was received when the Sunday closing laws of New Haven, Connecticut were printed on blue paper in 1781. Well, that lets you know that these exist. You know, it really goes by state. You know, here in my state, you know, it's prohibited to sell alcohol until 11 o'clock on Sunday. And some places still close on Sunday the whole day. You know, just depends on what state you are. But the Sunday laws still exist. And I can remember 20 years ago, everything was closed, including the Walmart on Sunday. And, you know, people used to get paid time and a half for working on Sunday. When they was allowed to go ahead and work on Sunday, they got paid time and a half to do so. You know, it's all there. It's historical fact. It's not a lie. They do exist. You know, to say that this is made up and this is a lie too, I guess you're calling our government a lie, because it's there. It's in the law dictionary. You can look it up online. Don't take my word for it. Go look it up online. Do your research. Weigh the evidence. But it's there. And not only that, I'll put up some videos where you can see where Sunday laws are being enforced in other parts of the world. You know, why should you enforce someone to take a day of rest? That in itself is legalistic. When you force somebody, force a belief on somebody, that is legalistic. That is a given choice by God. That if you want to choose to rest, that it should be your choice. You know, I believe it's the Sabbath and it's never changed. It's kind of funny that the Sabbath's not being forced on anybody, and if it was, I would go against it because it's not right. You know, because we, out of love for God, keep the commandments. And it should not be forced on anybody. He gives us free will and free choice. And this has been another edition of Truth on Trial. As always, I stand by the word. God bless.